In 2025, optimizing your computer's speed isn't just a luxury. It's essential for productivity and efficiency. Let's dive into why it matters. Every computer has performance bottlenecks. Identifying these areas can significantly enhance your system's speed. Utilizing the best tools of 2025 for software upgrades is crucial. Let's explore some essential applications. You can make a significant difference by tweaking your operating system settings for maximum efficiency. Sometimes, hardware upgrades are necessary. We'll discuss when and how to upgrade components for better performance. Cloud computing can play a pivotal role in speeding up local performance. Let's see how it works. Regular disk cleanup and defragmentation can help in maintaining your computer's speed and efficiency. Antivirus software keeps your system safe, but it's important to balance protection with speed. Task automation can streamline your background processes, allowing your computer to run smoother. To sustain your computer's speed, regular maintenance is key. Here are some tips to keep your system running efficiently.